What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Sorry, not that way. And staying safe out there. You can probably tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video what it's gonna be about. Yep, something that I've been holding back for a little while. I wasn't planning on getting it so soon. I was planning on getting some other stuff done before it, but hey, I was gonna get it anyways. So, yep. Without further ado, let me show you guys what I got for the Q. Yep. That's exactly what it is. Carbon fiber trunk, a duckbill. It was actually pretty quick shipping though. I got it from Outcast Garage, and I want to say it was probably like a week or so. Well, I ordered it and then shipping and getting here, so I'm actually pretty satisfied with it. Now comes the fun stuff. I have to take it out, take that one out over there, put that one on. So let's get to it. Plastic off. To take this shit off, you have these little guys right here. I think they're like 8 mil. I think either 8 or 10. If you focus, shit. Yeah. And the lights, it's the same size. And then you go off, take this plug out. I'll just do that right. And then use flathead or something and take this off, along with this shit here. Yep. And this little guys and this shit, and then other than that it'd be this one, this two right here. Those two, and it should be ready to come out. So shouldn't be too hard. It shouldn't be, but then again, with my luck, you know how that goes. So. Alright, so I pretty much got everything out. Took this two out. There were 10, but there's still this one here. Those are holding the light. But that's an 8, and it's the same shit on the other side. And those are gonna be fun. Wait, no, that's for the spoiler. Never mind, I don't need to take this out. Take those here. Alright, cool. Alright, so that one's out. It wasn't too bad. Just need to take the license plate off. And after this video, this trunk is probably gonna be for sale, because I don't have not gonna have use for it. Plus, I don't need more shit on the basement. So, yeah. If you're local and you want it, just shoot me an offer. Worst as I can say, it's no, but I need it gone. So. Alright, so I just got done changing the trim. A lot of people just leave the chrome one. I'm not a big fan of it, so I just, there's like a couple bolts in there, and yeah, it's really not hard. You just gotta be careful when you tighten it, that you don't tighten it too much, and then it'll crack the whole thing. And then for here, I'll probably end up putting it on, so I'm gonna need like 3M tape or some shit, because I don't like that. I'm too OCD for this shit. So let me finish it up, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so finally finished. Didn't really take that long. It was easy. Pretty damn easy. Just like I expected. But I'm satisfied with it. I like it. You guys probably can't see it too well. Well, maybe with the camera it'll help a little bit, but here it is. It looks way better. The fitment, of course, is not gonna be perfect because it's not OEM, whatever. But like here it looks pretty good. And then over here, it's almost as good. Just a little bit more of a gap, but I'll live with it. If anything, I'll take it to a shop if it bothers me too much, but probably won't. Yeah, fuck it. It's good. Needs a wash, and then I need to go get some 3M to put that part there because it's gonna drive me nuts. Now I can take some booty pics. We still have some more stuff coming for the rear. If you guys can guess what it is, I mean it's probably pretty obvious, but you know. But yeah, like I said, the old trunk, that one's for sale. I don't want it. I don't need it. So if you're watching this, make me an offer. It does have the little spoiler that comes with it because it is the Sport. So just let me know. Hit me up. And on that note, that's probably gonna be it. I might watch it, might not. It's cool as shit. So yeah, guess it'll be to the next one. See you guys. Thanks for watching.